We are expanding our lipid R&D Center of Excellence in Schaffhausen, Switzerland as one of the leading suppliers for both customized and portfolio lipids. We are providing simplified and fully customized services supporting any type of drug delivery from nucleic acid to gene therapy and small molecules. Our experts are ready to tackle the challenges of lipid process development by finding new optimized synthesis routes. Profiting from over 25 years of experience, we are the perfect partner to develop, optimize, and scale up lipid processes to accelerate your drug development program from grams to multi-kilograms. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing assets are engineered to offer flexible and customized processing capabilities tailored to meet the demands of high-quality lipids manufacturing processes. In addition to the installed reaction vessel set, our facility is equipped with a range of advanced mobile equipment like centrifuges, filters, dryers, isolators, and chromatography. A fully integrated analytical development team enables a smooth transition from preclinical to clinical manufacturing. Moving to the cGMP phase, our facility complies to highest regulatory standards for parenteral applications, and we provide an unparalleled flexibility to support individual customer needs in regard to specification, scale, aliquotation, and regulatory filing. United by the joint goal to bring pioneering medicines and therapeutics to the patient, we forge strong partnerships with our clients.